Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica Janae, and if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on. Okay, if you're returning, welcome back. Okay, just kidding. This episode I want to do I want to apply makeup, in a very calm and relaxing way, you know what I'm saying. I'm not gonna do any talking because well, the reason why I'm doing this is because I have videos that I've done previously where I'm not doing any talking but just applying makeup, and I actually like watching myself apply makeup. Like, it's very relaxing to me, and I have like the music playing, and it just makes things like so relaxing and calm. So I mean, I'm technically kind of doing this video for myself, but also for other people that may have anxiety, or what I'm saying, they find it to be like some type of therapy for themselves. So I mean, it's just, what I'm saying, like, it's helpful to other people but also to myself. Like, I just feel like I get a lot of joy out of just watching it. Like I said, it just helps me to relax and like to calm down, especially like when it's time to go to bed, because like I'm one of those people that kind of, I don't drink coffee. Sometimes I don't drink coffee. As soon as I get up, I might get some coffee like later on in the day, and like the caffeine, by the time it's time to go to bed, the caffeine hasn't quite worn off yet. So what I'm saying, I'm still kind of on 10 when I need to be on like a 2. So what I'm saying, sometimes I watch the videos to kind of help me go to sleep, get relaxed and start want to go to sleep. So anyway, enough talking. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay. So I'm finished now, and this is the completed look, and thank you. I try. I'm not a makeup artist, but I try. But anyway, yeah, this is my completed look. If you have any questions, or you know, you have a comment about anything, leave it down below. I'll try to list all the products that I used in this video. And if you would like to see more videos like this, also comment that down below. I enjoy doing this. I don't have anything else much to say, but I think that's it. So anyway, this is the end of the video. Please hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.